Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, we can't find your camera on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security Settings. Click Camera, turn on camera access, also turn on Let apps access your camera. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Windows Store Apps. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps and Features. Type Camera in App List. Click three dots, click Advanced Options. Click Repair, if same error still exists, reset camera app. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand camera, right-click camera, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand camera, right-click camera, click Uninstall device, click Scan for hardware changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.